My tough times would be a dream for others. It's that gratitude guy with the Monday Morning Minute. Our local NFL team, the Seattle Seahawks, had quite an interesting season that just ended up with a trip to the playoffs. They were expected to have an off year after our starting quarterback, Russell Wilson, was traded away. The quarterback of the team settled on was a 10-year journeyman backup quarterback named Geno Smith. He had bounced around the league, and I think a lot of people kind of felt sorry for him, but not him. He ended up having an all-pro season, breaking several team records. He said, quote, "My tough times would be a dream for others," end quote. What a fantastic attitude. I see him as very grateful for just getting the opportunity to play football in the NFL. How many people get that chance? I am grateful that there are people like Geno Smith that do such a great job of illustrating an attitude of gratitude. A great lesson for all of us. I'm that gratitude guy. Remember, be grateful and never quit.